Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'll be sharing my current favorites and random Shopee finds. It's been a while since I've done this video and I actually have quite a few to talk about, so without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with my fashion favorites, and first on my list is this chain heart necklace I discovered on Shopee. This is hypoallergenic and tarnish free, which is why I really love it, and also this is super affordable. It's only around 350 pesos and it looks so expensive in person, and I think it's the perfect statement piece to add on your collection. Next fashion favorite is this corset top I got from Yesstyle, and I've talked about this on my previous haul. If you haven't seen it, I'll put the link on the description box, but I really like this top. It looks so vintage and the quality is great for its affordable price, you guys. I've been wearing these a lot and I can't wait to style it more during this summer, and yeah. I am so excited to share this next item. If you've been following me on Instagram, you probably know how obsessed I am with press-on nails, and this one is my most favorite right now because it's from whyyen, and she customized this for me and I am sincerely in love with them. I'll do a haul and tutorial very soon, but please do check out her Instagram, and I will be putting all the links on the description box below. So yeah. Next is another Shopee affordable find, and this is something I've been needing, and I'm so glad one of my mutuals recommended these stick-on pads. They're very helpful for when you don't want to wear a bra, and also they're super comfy and so affordable as well, which is why I think it's a great steal, and I've been using this a lot. I only have one skincare product to share, and it is a face mist from Alana Minerals. I love this especially this summer because it has a cooling effect and fine shimmer to add glow on your skin. Moving on to makeup, I haven't been wearing makeup lately, and these two products are my current go-to for Zoom meetings and quick errands. I actually made a dedicated makeup look wearing this lipstick from 3ZE. If you're curious, I'll put the link somewhere on the screen. And next is this powder foundation. I love this especially now that the weather is humid. I mixed this with the mist that I talked about earlier, and it gives me the most lightweight coverage, which I really like. Next Shopee find is this eyelash listing kit, which I discovered from my friend Shar. She actually did her lashes and it lasted me a month. That's why I decided to buy this as well to touch up my own lashes. And if you want me to do a tutorial, I can't talk. Let me know in the comments section. I'll definitely do them for you guys. Moving on to my obsession, which is fragrance. The first one is my current favorite combo is Burberry Her, which was gifted to me by my boyfriend, and Sweet Skin, which we will be releasing soon on Skinship Nama. They smell sweet, airy, almost like a very expensive milkshake. And next is Solid Rice Perfumes from Pete and Aaliyah. You can get them on Shopee. Blanca smells like a coconut and vanilla, and definitely the type of scent that would make you feel like you're on a vacation. And the small one is Jasmine, which smells like a bubblegummy floral scent. Both are very beautiful fragrances. Moving on to podcasts, first is Kaidan. This is my most favorite right now. It feels like you and your friends are just sharing some scary stories. Next is Uncanny Japan, which I learned a lot from. It's a very soothing podcast, you guys. Then if you're a true crime fan like me, definitely check out Asian Madness podcast. And last is definitely something I listen to find peace, which is God's Message podcast For songs, I've been really obsessed with Lana Del Rey's Chemtrails Over the Country Club. So beautiful, you guys. And of course, BTS, my loves. I've been really obsessed with Life Goes On. It keeps me going, and every time I listen to it, I find such comfort. Okay, you guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and everything I talked about will be listed on the description box below. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.